Hello everyone. In this tutorial series we'll learn about some basic and advanced concepts of HTML. So let's see some major points of HTML. Number 1, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Number 2, HTML is used to create web pages. Number 3, HTML is widely used language on the web. Number 4, we can create static website by HTML only. Number 5, HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup. Let's see what is hypertext. Hypertext simply means text within text. A text has a link within it, is a hypertext. Every time when you click on a word which brings you to a new web page, you have clicked on a hypertext. What is markup language? A markup language is a programming language, which is used to make text more interactive and dynamic. It can turn a text into images, tables, links, etc. An HTML document is made of many HTML tags, and each HTML tag contains different content. Let's take a look to a simple HTML example. To create a simple HTML example, open Notepad. Write doc type. It's for HTML version. Then you need to write HTML tag. HTML is the root element for the HTML doc file. It must be closed, so close it. With an HTML tag you need to write heading tag and body tag. So first I am writing heading tag, so write head. Within head you have to write title tag. Here I am using the title, first HTML example. In HTML make sure to close every tag after opening. Now type the body tag. Within body tag, you can use any HTML tag, but here I am using basic tags like H1 tag and P tag. H1 is for heading, so here I am writing first HTML. In P, I am writing this is a simple example of HTML. Now you have to save this file with .html extension. You can save it in any directory. I am saving it in desktop with the name first.html. Open this file in any browser, or just simply double-click on it. It will be opened in your default settings browser. Here first HTML is the heading which is generated through H, and this is a simple example, it is generated through P. And this is generated through the title tag. Thank you for watching.